YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We have a big old box coming from Okaysou. Oh, look at that. Got the little Newport swoosh or the Amazon swoosh. I'm not sure what this is, but about to open up and find out. And hopefully you guys had a good... Oh, here we go. Apollo H13 True HEPA Air Purifier. Oh, baby. Definitely excited to see how this works. And like I said, you guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. And get them now. I have a few of these around the house, so gotta find a new spot for this one. This one might go in my room, actually. Just gotta find a spot. But we'll test it out, see how it looks and how it works, all that good stuff. So, and like I said, you can also check on what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. But if you like this one, click the link down below. I think it is Amazon. If it's not Amazon, their website link will also be down below. So either or, both links are safe to click, so you don't have to worry about those stuff. And get you some good deals on these. Alright, HEPA. It's pretty heavy. 7-10 pounds. Oh, baby. Alright, now here's what the box looks like. Okaysou. Effective, efficient, and inexpensive. 23 decibels, super quiet. 500 square feet. Powerful circulation. 999.99. Filters of air pollutants. Just woke up. 2 years warranty. 0.1 micron. Filters, particles smaller than 0.1. Maybe like a sneeze or something like that. We got the control panel, timer setting, fan setting, sleep mode, display off and on, filter reset. So I'll let you know what to do. And here we go. I got the website, their socials, TikToker, Insta, Facebooker, and Apollo. We're gonna go to the moon, guys. Let's see what this thing's about. I'm sure there's a smart app to it, so you might want to know your Wi-Fi password and all that good stuff. Have that ready when you sign in. Probably through the email, all that good stuff. You know how it goes these days. It's all good. We'll figure this thing out together. So it might be a little longer video. See, there's a swoosh. And then in the manual, might need that later. That's where everything has an app these days. Okay, let me get this out. Not awkward, it's just a little tight squeeze. But excellent job. There we go. Oh, this is a nice tiny one for like a condo, apartment, bedroom, kids playroom, adults playroom. You never know. Gaming room, memorabilia room. A lot of different rooms you could put this in. You can travel with it. Take it on the road. One piece of tape. There we go. It's not bad at all. using my funny bone. It's not that funny. Ow. Got the cord right here. Pretty long cord. We'll just definitely test down in here for this video, and then, like I said, I'm not sure where I'm gonna stick it because I already have one in here. Get that out of there. There we go. And make sure you open it up first because there's gonna be air filters you're gonna need to take out and remove the plastic they have on it. So that takes a few seconds. So I have this on standby, the manual. I don't need real swooshy. Here we go. Let's see, how do I open? Okay. Just like the, ooh. Yeah, see what I mean? I'm gonna have to remove this. This is a filter. Pretty good size. Here it is inside the unit. There's a LED, I think it's gonna light up. Or is this a turn? Yeah, that should be LED. I do believe. There's the top. Pretty slim size. It's not too heavy, so. And there's a fan right there. Let me take off this plastic. And then we'll install it, turn it on, and see how it looks, see how it sounds, all that good stuff. Boom. Oh, this is a nice filter. You can see the little, look at that. Don't worry, it's inside, so nothing's going to come out unless you poke it, so be careful. Especially if kids around. I don't think I removed. No, keep that on there. Okay, let me put it back in. I will definitely check the instructions in a second. Make sure I got it right installed. I think it goes something like this. Let me pause you guys for a sec. Oh, sweet. You don't need a smart app. So finally, something that you need to use the smart app. So look at this. Yeah, this is the right way. So you got that. That's all good to go. Just got to plug her in. Seal the deal, and then turn this thing on. Oh baby. Alright, let's rock and roll. Like I said, hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe, staying warm. Don't worry, the groundhog's seen its shadow, so summer should be here shortly. We can all hope. Alright. Okay, there is. Alright guys, here's a little plastic film. Just gotta remove that. And then there's the control panel right on top. Ooh. Oh, there's where the light was. Ooh. You can already hear it. That's to the max. You can notice the difference right away. That's pretty cool. Okaysou. And we got the timer. You can set 2 hour, 4 hour, all the way to the max 8-hour. That's going to be when it's time to replace. You can turn it off, turn it on, keep it on. Pretty cool, pretty simple, but effective. Very effective. I can already notice up here, you can see it's working. Excellent. Alright, YouTubers, if you need a good air purifier, this is a great one to get for affordable cost. All you got to do is click that link down below, order it now, and check out, and they'll ship it to you. Like I said, I'm not sure if it's Amazon. If it's Amazon, I'll leave the link down below, and if it's a Okaysou, I'll leave their link down below, and also they'll have a live chat on their website. So if you have any other questions, you can also check out their website, and they'll answer any question you need. I do believe it's 24 hours a day. So, or just send me an email. Either or, check them out. But if y'all like that Prime, I'll see if it's on Prime. But I'm pretty sure they're on both. So, alright, YouTubers, be safe, have a good day, see you soon.